So when you first put a program onto your microbit that uses the compass, the screen will look a little bit strange. It won't start off with the compass. The first thing that's going to happen is some words are going to scroll across the screen. It's going to say tilt to fill screen. Sometimes that might happen too quickly and you might not notice that. And what you'll notice, I'll just show you, is a few dots on your screen like this. So it might be one dot, it might be a few more dots. Now basically what we need to do is we need to calibrate the microbit. So that basically means telling the microbit whereabouts it is in space. There we go, those it's coming back again, tilt to fill screen. Okay. So don't worry if you see that, that's very normal. That will happen anytime you put a new program on the microbit that uses the compass feature. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to kind of tilt this all around like this, and I'm tilting it in the direction of the lights that aren't switched on. It's difficult for you to see while I tilt. You can kind of see I'm just moving it all around, pointing towards the lights that aren't switched on to give it a chance to light up all those lights. And I've got one more light left to do. I'm just tilting in the direction of that last light. Okay. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. Now once all those lights are filled, that's when your compass program is going to show up. And this is using the accelerometer to help calibrate the compass heading, like this. Okay, sometimes it can be difficult because I wasn't really doing this one properly, because I've been trying to make it show the camera at the same time. I hasn't quite got there with that last one. If I turn it upside down, all the way around. Okay, now if you find, like my one, that you just can't quite do it, and this has happened because I was holding it up this way rather than tilting it properly, what you might need to do is plug it back into the computer, put a different program onto it, so any of those other programs that you've made before, and then give it another go. So I'm just going to do that one. So I'm going to put something else onto it, and then I'll put the compass back on, and then I should have another chance. Okay, so I'm going to just try this one again. You see it's got a few lights. I'm going to do it properly this time rather than holding it up to show the screen. There we go. There we go. So I've managed to get all the lights lit up. Perfect. It gives me a smiley face, and now it's launched my compass like this, and then you can use it properly. If you turn it off and on again, you won't need to do that again. You'll only need to do that again, either if you decide that you want to, maybe you think your compass isn't very accurate, or you might need to do it again if you change the program. So if you put something like the night light back onto your compass, onto your microbit, sorry, and then you put the compass back on, then you'll need to recalibrate it.